Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you are enjoying our previous videos. Today we will learn about inverse counting. Inverse counting, O N E 1. Inverse counting, T W O 2. Inverse counting, T H R E 3. Inverse counting, FOUR 4. Inverse counting, FIVE 5. Let's review. Inverse counting, ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.